Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Mani. I'm going to go get one of those job things. Cici and Sisi plate 06 requested by Cami Mani. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And here is Moonshine Mani. And this is, I'm going to go get one of those job things. It's a Friends reference, so you know I had to have it. Stunning polish. This is like seafoam green with some opalescence in it. It's just so pretty. I run out of description words all the time, but pretty is just, I think that's really an understatement for this polish. It's stunning, gorgeous, fantastic. So here we go with our second coat of I'm gonna get one of those job things. And the glitters are laying down really smooth. It's leveling out and it's just got great coverage. Love the Moonshine Mani brushes. Hi Woody, how you doing? I'm going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get this one to dry down so that I can do some playing. Cap my fridge here real quick. Oh, it's so pretty. It's sparkly and yummy. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. This is Cici and Sisi 06. And Cami Mani wanted to see me do a tropical leaf image. So I'm going to be using this Moonflower Serena. And my Monocle Stamper and my Maniology Scraper. I've got to get that blue film off of this plate and clean it with some acetone. Get it all wiped down and ready to play. And I like to wipe it with a paper towel too. And here we go. So I decided to use this leaf image from this plate on 4 of my nails. And then I'm going to do something different with my accent nail. I'm going to clean that stamper off on a lint roller. And then I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of that excess stamping polish off my skin around my fingernail. Stuff bugs me to no end, y'all. I'm so funny about that, I know. I'm going to clean that plate off with pure acetone and go at it again. And I am moving that image around to where the leaves aren't facing the same way, same direction on every nail. Just kind of mix it up just a little bit. And I really did like this. I could have done all of my nails like this and just left it alone. But y'all know, when I'm playing, I'm playing. I'm serious about it. So I wanted to be able to do something else. So I'm going to put that on the nail. But that's going to be my accent nail. I'm going to add something else to it here in a little bit. And it was real pretty just like that. I'm saying you could have left it just like that and it would have been great. Kind of tone on tone. Very pretty. And then I'm going to clean that plate again. And I am wiping it with the paper towel now because I am going to clean it and put it in a stack to be put away. To put back where it goes. If I can ever get it all the way clean. I am going to go in with my cleanup brush and do a little bit of cleanup here that the tape didn't get. And just check under there. There we go. That's where it always hides, under my nails. I'll be using Maniology MXM006. I like this little tropical image with the bananas and the flowers. And I'll be using Bundle Monster number 8. This is no longer available. It's a very, very old stamping polish. They might have reformulated it and given it a name. But back in those days, they just gave them numbers, not names. So I am using that piece of tape to get up the excess I don't want. And then I'll be using Maniology Nico. Beautiful yellow. And Bundle Monsters. I think this is Rave Babe. Just a bright kind of orangey pink. And the Maniology 101 detail brush to fill in this design. I'm just going to fill in the 2 flowers and the bananas. Just to, I wanted to give it a little pop. You guys know how I do. When I have time, I like to do this kind of stuff. I do absolutely love some reverse stamping. I think that it's such a beautiful way to bump up your manicure. And I love stamping just straight up, but this is fun too. I'm going to clean that brush off over on my paper towel and some acetone. And then now I'm changing over to the yellow polish. And I'm just going to dab that in, cover in these bananas. And y'all know, here it is, November, and what are we doing? A tropical mani. That's because I do what I wants. Guyleen taught us that. I does what I wants. And I do like, and I like it when other people do it too. So I missed a spot, so I'm going to go in. That's what I love about these clear stampers. You can go back in and get whatever you didn't touch. I'll be using the Get a Grip from Vibrant Vinyls because my nail polish is totally dried. And I want to make sure all of that image transfers over. And you can see I did not wait, but I did a super thin, almost a dry brush coat of it. And then that way I can just go right in. Tap it down with my finger. I'm going to go in here with my cleanup brush and get that one little bitty tab that's sticking up on my skin. Look, that's so hard. Oh, easy peasy. And then I'm going to top it off with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And you can see those flakies from that polish bounce through even the stamping. And I thought that was so cool. I was like, yes. You can still see the stamping, but you can also still see all those flakies. Once that's dry, I'm going to be topping these off with Seche Vite today. I know it's been a while since I broke this out, but it's still a very good top coat. You know, I hadn't divorced it yet or anything. We're still friends. So I'm going to cap my free edge here. And that's going to be it for this manicure. Oh, wait a minute. Woody's back again. Hi, Woody. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I love hearing from you. I want to thank you so much for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.